SimpleMind Mind Mapping can be a perfect tool for people with ADHD. Mind maps capture attention with their visual appeal, making it easier to stay focused. Studies have shown that colors, images, and symbols engage the mind more effectively than linear notes. If your mind is full and you don't know where to start, mind maps provide a clear path forward, helping to alleviate the chaos. It allows you to easily add and rearrange ideas and build an overall structure. Because it's so visual, it can help you see new patterns and connections, making it easier to solve problems. With SimpleMind, you can follow your thoughts instead of having to force yourself to think in a linear structure. Use SimpleMind to divide complex tasks into smaller, manageable steps. This helps in reducing overwhelm and makes it easier to tackle big projects. Try SimpleMind Mind Mapping today and experience the benefits for yourself.